Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you and your family are doing really well and keeping safe and healthy as always. So today I wanted to do like a summer makeup look, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to be here at home. It's a pretty hot day today, so I kind of want to keep everything into a minimum, but whatever I don't mention that I'm applying, it will be listed in the description box down below, and you are free to use it. It may or may not have affiliated links, but you could use it if you like. So currently right now I'm watching the Argentina match with England, and I'm rooting for England to win for the final spot against Spain, because the World Cup will be this Sunday and it's really exciting. So I don't know when I will be uploading this video, but I really hope Spain wins the whole thing. I was rooting for Mexico and USA initially. Well, Mexico would be like my first pick, but they did lose against England. And it's ironic that England is playing Argentina right now, so I want Argentina to lose. And I have England play against Spain, so we'll just see how that goes.
I was swinging along, minding my business, when suddenly out of...
So how are you doing, my friend? I hope everything is well, everything in your end, and that your summer is going really great.
Just like a present from heaven, beautiful, wonderful you. The clouds disappeared and the birds started singing a beautifully wonderful tune. For no other song could be worthy of beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue.
So I did do a recent Dollar Tree haul, but I forgot to mention these. I got some makeup brushes and they look really promising. I did wash them already and they haven't shred, so that's good. So today's palette, I am using the You're Golden makeup palette from Colourpop. And this would be all of the eyeshadows. Okay, so the first shade I want to take is this one. This one is called Hidden Gem. Over here. And I'll be taking the Dollar Tree brush.
For I have been kissed by an angel, beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever...
Okay, now I'm going to take this shade. This one is called Slumber. Right here. And I'll just put that in my crease. Taking my Sigma E27.
Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? Now I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue, for I have been kissed by an angel. Beautiful, wonderful, marvelous, lovable, beautiful, wonderful you.
Okay, so I'm just going to do my brow bone shade real quick. This one's called PCH, Pacific Coast Highway. Okay, so for all over the lid, I'm torn between taking Rum Season, which is sparkly glitter shade, or Sun's Out. It's right here. I don't know, between those two, I think we're gonna go with Rum Season right here. So I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. This one does have an adhesive, so I won't put glitter glue, but it is advised to do so if you take a glitter shade like this. I think putting a glitter glue is a little bit more wise. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so I can't find any, so I'm just going to put a little bit of the dual eyelash adhesive. I'm just going to put a little bit on my lid. Whoops, that's a little bit too much. A little bit too much. Okay, so for inner corner, I'm going to take this shade called Jet Set. Put that all over my inner corner. I'm just going to take my Dollar Tree brush. Okay, so now I am done using the palette, and the last thing I want to do is put on bronzer, which I haven't in quite a bit. So I'm just going to be mixing two bronzers together, which are both from Beauty Concepts. So I have like this one, and then I have that Ice Cream Shimmer. Both are my favorite for bronzer. I'm just going to be taking my Weekend Vibes BH Cosmetics #1 brush. Okay, I'm just going to be putting this lip product that I found from Dollar Tree. It's the Strawberry Shortcake Lip Butter. It's so cute. It works really well. It just doesn't have flavor. Okay, my friends, so this is my finished look. So mini recap on this palette. I thought this one was really well performative for the mattes and some of the shimmers. I do feel like this glitter shade from Rum Season, it's a little bit too messy, and I feel like I got a lot of fallout all over my face right here and on my nose, but it is really pretty. I do need a glitter primer because the one I used from the eyelash adhesive glue, I thought it was not the best to put it all over my eyelid, but it's not bad. It's just not really ideal for all over the lid. It's just very sticky. The mattes were really easy to work with, and I can't wait to play with it a little bit more to use more of the standard shimmers. I think next time I'll just use a glitter glue for the glitters, as we should. Okay, my friend, I hope that you enjoyed this one. May God bless always. You have a good day or night, whatever time you're watching. And if you are a new viewer, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here in my small channel. And I appreciate all the support and hope to see you soon in my next video. Okay, bye my friend. Oh, and also make sure you keep hydrated and stay cool. Make sure you drink water because it's really hot for the summer. Okay, bye.